What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to go through my favorite setups for the upcoming week, giving you my reasoning and game plan, so there's no guessing, right? But before we get started, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you do not miss on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right into this with SPY. Honestly, this 442.97 was not filled last week. That's a daily gap fill. I was looking for a bounce down there. We didn't quite get it. I want to see how we react when we finally push down to the area for a possible call bounce. Below that, one of the big areas to watch is at 436.8. That's going to be a very big support. Definitely an area I'm going to be interested in for calls. If we even get down there, we could very well bounce at this gap fill. We'll just have to watch and see. SPX levels remain the same for this upcoming week. They're still relevant, still good. Remember, no SPY calls below resistance on SPX and no SPY puts above support. That one simple tip will keep you from stopping out early and losing money. So watch both, and you can trade ES futures based off either of them levels for my futures traders out there. Now, I'm really interested in this Apple. If we can push down to this 170.4 for a call entry for a bounce, going to be a big level to watch. It's a nice daily support. Honestly, it doesn't look too bad to add to long term down there either. Just my opinion. Second individual stock I'm watching is Tesla, ticker TSLA. We have a nice gap fill entry here on the daily. If we push down, we got close to it on Friday, right? But I still want to see us push down to this 235.2 to catch this for a nice bounce. I'll be watching volume and price action to confirm this trade. Remember, never enter a trade without confirmation. I guess you all know that by this point. You got to have a physically written trading plan, have exact steps that you take that's proven to work. That's going to be key as well, right? If we have a bad trading plan, of course we're going to fail. I like to go back monthly, revisit my trading plan and see what, improvements I can make based off my trading logs. When I say trading logs, you should be logging your trades every day after trading. That way you know what you did right, what you did wrong, what trades you took. Some people even go back and watch recordings of their trades to study that way. I will say this before we go. Do not be lazy when it comes to trading. Treat it like a job. It's something that can potentially make you lose money or make you a lot of money once you master it. So trust me, it's worth putting effort in. No shortcuts with this. And that's all I have. I hope y'all have an amazing week. Always here to help. You can reach me in the comments or go to Instagram, DM me. Appreciate y'all for watching, and I'll see you next time.